Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, the one who spends more time picking filters than actually posting the photo.
And I'm Joshua, the guy who says he's taking a break from Instagram, but somehow still views every story within 5 minutes.
Well, your scrolling's about to get smarter, Joshua. Meta just dropped AI-powered editing tools inside Instagram stories, and they're seriously next level.
Wait, you mean I can just type what I want to change in a photo? Like, give me sunglasses, or add a sunset background, and poof, it happens?
Exactly. It's all under the Restyle menu right in the Stories editor. You just tap the paintbrush icon and tell Meta AI what to do. No separate apps, no Photoshop wizardry.
That's wild. So if I take a selfie looking like a zombie on Monday morning, I can just say, look alive, and boom, fixed.
Pretty much. You can even change hair color, swap outfits, or turn your room into a Paris cafe. Meta also added preset styles and creative aesthetics, like watercolor, cinematic filters, or even fun stuff like flames and falling snow for videos.
Okay, I'm calling it. Influencers are about to have too much fun with this. Soon everyone's stories will look like mini movies.
You're not wrong. But here's the catch. To use these tools, you have to agree to Meta's AI terms of service. That means the system can analyze your photos, yes, even your face, to generate those effects.
Ah, the classic free feature that comes with a side of data collection. It's like magic that reads the fine print better than we do.
Exactly. Meta says it's all for transparency and creative control, but users should still know what they're agreeing to.
Fair enough. So, to sum it up, Meta's giving everyone the power to become a digital artist, but maybe we still need to think before we restyle.
Perfectly said. Whether you're crafting art or just fixing a bad hair day, at least now your AI can help make it look intentional.
Totally. Though, at this rate, I'm starting to think our AI deserves its own influencer account. Filters, edits, and maybe even brand deals included.
That's all for today's Spotlight. Keep creating, keep questioning, and remember, not every filter can fix bad lighting.
Or bad decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before Meta's AI does it for you.